We started. 769. I really want to have a garage sale. Well, it wouldn't be a garage sale because I don't have a garage. But like a yard sale. It would be a yard sale. Because all I have is like a side yard, like something like this. A little smaller though, about half this size. That's it. Which reminds me of my daughter's dog. Well, her dog is black and white and more fluffy. Yeah, a little more fluffy than that. So cute. Oh, there goes the rooster that was in my room the first morning. No, I'm just kidding. In the morning, the first morning when we woke up, it was like 6 a.m. and I started cuckoo-doo-doo to wake everyone. I was like, cuckoo-doo-doo. Like this. They're like, mommy, mommy. I was just being an asshole on purpose. Cuckoo-doo-doo. I'm like, what? I think a rooster got in here. I don't know what the hell. And then later on, I seen a rooster. There goes the rooster. I told you. Oh my God. You love annoying your kids. It's the best. They be getting so angry. That just comes with the territory. Like, mommy, Daddy. It doesn't feel nice though. But I guess it does come with the territory. I mean, in my family anyways. 691. There's a 69 again. Well, especially in my family, this is how we talk to each other. 48. 669 again. Okay. Hopefully, my nose stays not as congested anymore. I hope so. Oh, the birds are back. I went and bought more birdseed at the hardware store. It's different, but it seems to be doing the trick. I wasn't sure if they were gonna like it or not. Look at that. What is that? That's a big bird. What are you doing? I was like, is that a chicken? No, that's a mourning dove. That's a coo bird. Hey, coo bird. What are you doing, coo bird? How you doing, girl? What? What? Don't act all funny with me. Oh, that's not the usual one. The one that's beyond my thing, the golden one, she's way bigger than that. And she's so pretty. And she's more golden, and she's way bigger. Yeah. Not you. The one that'll run you off. No, it's not. Just kidding. Where is the girl? Where's Golden Girl? Huh? What? I'm gonna call you Peach or Coral Girl. Where's Golden Girl? I haven't seen her all day today. I've seen her. She was chilling there like the first day we came back and like the second day. But I haven't seen her all day today. Where's Golden Girl? Where'd she go? She venture off somewhere? Huh? I don't know. Coral. Or Peachy. I don't know. I'm gonna call you Coral. Yeah. All right. Bye, Coral.